In this video, we want to address a subject that is important to all potential revolver owners. Although there are some decent revolvers out there, some models stand out for their poor performance and dependability. In this video, we will tell you which revolvers can be called the worst, on the budget side of the spectrum, on the design side, or just plain useless. Let's go on. RG Revolvers. Hailed as a budget-friendly option, the ROM-RG series of revolvers quickly earned a notorious reputation in the firearms world. Manufactured in Germany with affordability in mind, these revolvers became infamous for their disappointing quality. Often dubbed Saturday night specials, RG revolvers were marketed as ideal for home defense, but their actual performance tells a different story. Constructed from low-grade zinc alloys, these guns were inexpensive, but this came at a significant cost. The material is prone to wear and tear, leading to frequent misfires, jams, and misaligned barrels. Such flaws undermine the revolver's reliability, making it a dangerous choice for those who depend on their firearm in critical situations. The ammunition used in ROM-RG revolvers is equally unimpressive. The light projectiles travel at subsonic speeds, failing to deliver the necessary penetration or effective expansion, rendering the revolver virtually useless for anything beyond small game hunting or casual plinking. The RG-10 model, despite offering 6 rounds of .22 short, is limited in its practical application. Adding to the woes is the revolver's poor accuracy. The flimsy build often causes the cylinder to fail in locking securely, leading to inaccurate shots and potential safety hazards. The grips are uncomfortable and the overall balance of the firearm is awkward, contributing to a lack of confidence in its handling. In the end, ROM-RG revolvers are a risky investment. Their substandard construction, frequent malfunctions, and unreliable performance make them unsuitable for any serious gun owner. Taurus Judge. The Taurus Judge made quite a splash upon release, promising to be a versatile marvel capable of firing both .45 Colt rounds and .410 shotgun shells. Marketed as the ultimate multi-purpose weapon, it attracted gun enthusiasts eager for a do-it-all firearm. However, despite its ambitious claims, the Judge often leaves much to be desired. A major issue is accuracy. Designed with a long cylinder to accommodate shotgun shells, this extra space compromises the stability of .45 Colt rounds, resulting in erratic trajectories and disappointing groupings, especially at anything beyond short distances. When firing .410 shotgun shells, the Judge faces even more limitations. Its short barrel reduces the power and spread of the pellets, making it ineffective for anything but extremely close-range encounters. In high-stress self-defense situations where reliable stopping power is needed, the Judge fails to deliver the punch of a true shotgun. Additionally, the Judge's bulky design makes it cumbersome to carry and handle, turning what should be a versatile firearm into a burdensome one. Despite its ambitious aims, the Taurus Judge ends up as a jack-of-all-trades, master of none. Smith & Wesson .38 Safety Hammerless. The Smith & Wesson .38 Safety Hammerless, affectionately nicknamed the Lemon Squeezer, was a standout revolver from the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Its innovative grip safety required a firm squeeze to fire, making it a popular choice for personal protection in its day. However, while groundbreaking at the time, this design now seems outdated. The grip safety could be awkward and cumbersome, particularly under the stress of a real-life confrontation, making quick, instinctive firing challenging. Another drawback of the .38 Safety Hammerless is its limited stopping power. Chambered in .38 Smith & Wesson, it falls short compared to modern calibers like .38 Special or 9mm, which offer superior velocity and energy. The top break design, while convenient for reloading in its time, is less durable than modern swing-out cylinders. Over time, this mechanism could wear down, causing alignment issues and compromising accuracy. Though a marvel in its era, the .38 Safety Hammerless's quirky safety feature and outdated design make it a relic by today's standards. Model 1879 Reichsrevolver. The Model 1879 Reichsrevolver once stood as a symbol of the German Empire's military might. This robust and straightforward firearm was designed for durability and ease of use, earning its place as the standard-issue sidearm for German officers and cavalry units. Although celebrated for its solid construction and reliability, it quickly fell behind as more advanced revolvers emerged. One major shortcoming of the M1879 was its cumbersome reloading process. The single-action mechanism required the shooter to manually cock the hammer before each shot. Coupled with the absence of a swing-out cylinder or top brake system, each chamber had to be reloaded individually through a side-loading gate, a slow process in the heat of battle. Additionally, its bulk contributed to durability but made it unwieldy, particularly for mounted troops. Chambered in 10.6 millimeters, the M1879 cartridge was relatively underpowered by modern standards, reducing its effectiveness in combat. Although built to endure, the Reichsrevolver's slow reloading, bulky design, and limited stopping power quickly rendered it a relic. Smith & Wesson Bodyguard .38. The Smith & Wesson Bodyguard .38 emerged as a modern solution for personal defense, offering a sleek, compact design ideal for concealed carry. As a contemporary take on the classic snub-nosed revolver, the Bodyguard .38 appeals to those who seek a dependable sidearm for self-defense. However, some notable flaws may give potential buyers pause. A standout feature of the Bodyguard .38 is its integrated laser sight, intended to enhance accuracy under pressure. While this feature allows users to aim quickly, some report the laser as unreliable, sometimes failing to activate when most needed. This can undermine its intended advantage, especially in high-stress situations where precision is crucial. Additionally, due to its lightweight and compact design, the revolver produces pronounced recoil, making it uncomfortable for extended shooting and harder to control during rapid fire. The Bodyguard's double-action-only trigger requires a heavier pull, impacting accuracy, especially at longer ranges. While the Bodyguard .38 excels in portability, its challenges with recoil, laser reliability, and trigger pull reveal it as an imperfect choice for personal defense. EAA Windicator. The EAA Windicator, made by European American Armory, stands out as an affordable and durable revolver, chambered for .3757 Magnum and .38 Special. It's praised for its toughness, suitable for both self-defense and range shooting. The Windicator's solid steel frame ensures it can handle heavy use and powerful rounds, with its weight helping to manage recoil, making it more comfortable to shoot. However, the heavier build can be a drawback for those seeking a lightweight, easily concealable revolver, limiting its appeal for those prioritizing portability. Another common criticism of the EAA Windicator is its trigger pull. The double-action trigger is often described as heavy and gritty, which can affect accuracy. While the single-action mode offers a smoother pull, the double-action can be challenging for some. Additionally, the revolver's fit and finish are not as refined as more premium firearms, with reports of rough edges and less attention to detail in construction. Though sturdy and affordable, the EAA Windicator's heavy weight, mediocre trigger, and rough construction may deter those seeking a high-quality firearm for concealed carry or precision shooting. That's it for this video.